Alright, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be talking about all the detail products that I use. This isn't really going to be a super in-depth review on each product, but I kind of wanted to give you guys an idea on what stuff you need to buy to make your car look nice. First, I'll start off by saying I did do a little bit of a side gig for my detailing. When I lived in Texas, I started detailing cars and I started doing a lot of research on like what products I need to buy and all that. And I came to the conclusion that a lot of these products work. It's just, it depends on how much elbow grease you want to put into them to make them work, if that makes sense. Pretty much new ZL1, and it's been my dream car for like ever. And I finally got it. But I wanted to know how to take care of it. It's pretty much new and I wanted to keep it looking nice and crisp and new. It's a nice clean white car. So what products do I need? Some of you will probably laugh and be like, oh, he doesn't have a $80 bottle of spray ceramic. It's like, you don't need that. As long as you've got clean microfiber rags. And now if you're gonna do like a straight up detail and a straight up like ceramic coating on this vehicle, which I plan on doing at some point, I don't really have a garage to do it in. My garage is very small and I've just got stuff on stuff to, you know, it takes up a lot of space. But if you're gonna do some type of ceramic coating, this bottle's almost empty, then yeah, go ahead and use a really good coating and make sure you're following all the proper steps for prep work. If you're just washing the damn car and you want to make it look good, there's gonna be some swirl marks in there over time because you're not in a sealed off laboratory. Don't overthink this shit, dude. Get a decent little pressure washer. This one I believe was like 130 bucks. I bought this and I'm just gonna put the links to some of these, or at least some pictures, so you know what to look for when you're shopping. But I bought this little extension from Amazon too. I didn't like having this super long handle. The handle started to kind of go bad too, so I just bought this one and it works pretty good. I don't have to, you know, fight with some 3-foot long handle. But yeah, this Ryobi pressure washer, I believe it was like 130 bucks or so. This product line here, I'll just go real quick. That was like 8 bucks on sale. It's just soap. Don't overthink it. Invisible glass, that was a few bucks. Foam, you know, around 10 bucks or so. I haven't even needed to use the water spot remover. This protectant on Amazon, I believe, was like 13 or 14. This stuff was on sale. You can argue how good it is, but it makes the car look good. You can feel the results, especially when you're done using any of these sealants and then you rub like a very clean microfiber over it, and the microfiber just glides right over it. That's how you can tell that this sealant is sticking to the car pretty nice and it's settling. I've always found, you know, the Turtle Wax brand has been making some pretty decent stuff. This is for the leather, and then this I have not used yet. I got it on sale because this stuff is running out. You can see I don't have super expensive shit because you don't need super expensive shit. There's gonna be some, you know, detailing shops, like, you know, they're gonna put good money into good products, but you're not running a detail shop. You're just trying to keep your car looking nice. And, you know, they'll tell you like, oh, you're gonna put swirl marks in your paint. Like, not if you know how to do it. I use the pressure washer to remove like pretty much like 80% of the dirt, I would say. Get a good microfiber sponge, and I have a foam cannon that I use as well. This was also on Amazon for like, I think it was 25 bucks, something like that. That, and I run through microfiber rags like crazy. So if you want to be washing them all the time, you can. As I'm detailing the car, I end up pitching the microfiber rags. I throw them out sometimes and I'll buy a new pack for, you know, 10 bucks or so. And as long as I got clean microfibers, keeping this car clean is gonna be pretty easy. One thing I do hear people go back and forth on is using like a quick detailer to like spray on the dirt that's already on the car. You can do that. I just make sure that any part that I am gonna spray on the car, I make sure that that is nice and soiled with that spray before I take the microfiber and wipe it off. You don't want to be rubbing dried up dirt all over a part of the car. You're gonna end up getting swirl marks that way. You can overthink a lot of this stuff. It's not that hard to do. You're just cleaning the car. There's gonna be swirl marks. That's why people ceramic coat the car and it lasts for a few years. You know, I've seen 1 year all the way to 7, or I've seen unlimited years. Over time, you're gonna start to scrape up the paint, and that's why you paint correct it and seal it up again. And then depending on how good you did that, you might have to do it again and 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. It just depends. You don't have to invest a whole bunch of money. I think you can buy all the things you need for like 40 bucks. Except for the pressure washer, if you want that. That does help out a lot. Definitely helps out with cleaning wheels and stuff too, which I got my stock wheels back here. I did end up super detailing these because I might put them up for sale. I'm not sure. They do look really nice, but I was thinking about painting them black or something just to match the look of this out here.